Hey guys, it's Gracey again and I'm back with a new video. For today, I'm going to do a review of this beautiful vintage Chanel bag. Honestly guys, I can't tell you how happy and satisfied I am with this bag. This is an old bag, but look how beautiful the condition is. Look at this 24 karat gold hardware. Honestly, I wear this every day and it's so light. I can't tell you how happy and satisfied I am with this bag, and so I'm doing a review and maybe perhaps you can use this bag as well. So stay tuned. So this vintage camera bag is gracefully combining casualty with sophistication as seen in this caviar black leather featuring gold tone hardware, a chain and a leather strap, a top zip closure and an internal zip pocket, an internal logo stamp, a back slip pocket, a bias stitch and an interlocking CC logo stitch on the front. And honestly, despite its minor imperfection, this bag is an absolute gem. This bag is so light and versatile, it's perfect for everyday use, and there's so many ways to wear it. You can even wear it as a handbag because it's so light. Why go vintage versus the newer Chanel flap bags? Honestly, ladies, my real opinion to this is that what I really love about the vintage one is its real 24 karat gold plated hardware, because before late 2008 actually, Chanel classic flap bags with gold colored hardware, whether it's from the chains, the clasps, the grommets and CC turn locks, they were actually plated with real 24 karat gold. So these Chanel bags made before 2008 have hardware that is made with an alloy containing 24 karat gold, so the alloy itself is coated onto the metal. Now if you compare the Chanel bags from 2008 to present, they are just made with gold toned hardware, so they're missing that real 24 karat gold. And so one key difference that you will see between the vintage and the current Chanel bag is that its hardware on the vintage models, it has that deeper golden look to it because of that 24 karat gold, and it just makes it looks more sophisticated. And that's just my honest opinion to it, ladies. That's just me, and that's why I love vintage rather than the newer version of Chanel classic flap bags. And honestly, there's a lot of vintage bags out there that still has a lot of life to it. If you just look closely, there's definitely a lot out there to sell. I hope you find a really good one, and good luck with your hunting, ladies. So here's what fits inside the vintage Chanel bag. Honestly, I would highly recommend this, and if ever you're thinking of getting this bag, I hope this review helps you to decide whether you're gonna get it or not. Good luck with your next purchase. And as usual, if you do like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well and the notification button so you'll be updated for my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a good night. Bye.